In today's video, I'll teach you how to crochet a perfect oval piece from a foundation chain and avoid these gaps that we can sometimes create in the middle. So in order to crochet an oval piece from a foundation chain and avoid those gaps here in the middle, that's what we are going to do. So for my sample, I will crochet 8 chains. I will start with a slip knot and crochet 8 chains. And now we start working from the second chain from the hook. Usually we insert the crochet hook here. Let me zoom in. We insert the crochet hook here in a loop. And there's also the possibility to insert it here. But for this technique, to make the oval piece flawless, we will insert the crochet hook in this loop here in the back. You see that this is the front of the chain, this is the back of the chain. And in the back, we have those loops horizontally. You see? We have this line of loops forming a horizontal line. And this is where you're going to insert the crochet hook. So you twist a little bit and insert the crochet hook in this horizontal line in the back. You make a single crochet. Again, instead of inserting here in the front part of the chain, you twist it a little bit and insert in this horizontal line in the back. I will keep doing it until we get to the penultimate stitch of these chains. So I have only one chain left. I got to the penultimate single crochet. And now in this last one, again, do not work in this loop here in the front part of the chain. You will always work with this back loop, okay? So here I will make 4 single crochets, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 to make the curve. Depending on the pattern, you might need 3, 4, 5 single crochets together to create this curve in the oval piece. It really depends on the pattern that you're crocheting. Here is just a sample. So now we are going to continue crocheting on the other side of the chains. And what do we have to do here? Now we insert, you see that since we worked in the back side of the chain in this first part, now we have the entire stitch here for us to work. Let me zoom in. Yeah, good. So you see that we have the whole stitch to insert the crochet hook. And that's what you have to do. You insert the crochet hook in the whole stitch, yarn over or yarn under, and continue crocheting until the end of the round. I will make an increase here just to create the oval shape that I want to show you, but it's just a random pattern here. And you see that we have no gaps. I can even try to stretch this crochet piece, and I'm really making putting a lot of strength here, and you see that it does not open that easily. While with this one, of course I exaggerated a little bit, but it's way more soft, you know? I am putting the same amount of strength and it opens the crochet piece. while here, and it, since I mean this technique makes it the stitches a bit higher, it also looks smaller than with the other technique. Here I try to stretch it the same way and it doesn't open. Miracle. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this technique. Please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new tutorial tips and tricks that I bring here every week.